Hi viewers, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to talk about the problems which I faced at the backhoe wheel loader of the JCB. This backhoe loader is also famous by name of JCB. So I have the very interesting and surprised story about this machine. Actually, this machine came to the garage for the replacing a hydraulic hose because one of its hydraulic hose was leak. But due to the workload, mechanic didn't replace the hose on the same day. So this machine parked at the garage for a night. Next day morning time, try to start the machine to check which hose needed to replace, but machine didn't start. They called me and asked, okay, check this machine is not starting. Meanwhile, operator was also there. I inquired from the operator, what is the issue before you have faced this problem? So operator also surprised. He said, no, I don't have any complaint. I morning time easily start the machine. I don't have any problem. I don't know what happened to today. I enter the cabin and I try to start, but same condition, machine is not starting. So rest the history. So what I did, so what was the problem? You have to see this video. Okay, so I have, you can see it's on. I start it, but it's not starting. Off. No start. I checked here are its fuse and relays are here. I checked all the fuses are okay, but now I'm going to another test, so please be with me. It also have the some fuses on this side, so I'm going to open this cover and will check that fuses. Then I will see what is the issue, why it's not starting. I also check this is reverse. You can see this is our gear, this is a neutral. So viewers, you can see here are two fuses. Okay, I remove that fuses and will clean them. So I have cleaned the fuses and now I'm going to space to clean here. I am using this WD-40 here. You can see WD-40. So I'm going to clean that fuse base. Fix back these two fuses. 1 minute, I will show you. No start. Oh, so machine still no starting. As I'm going to voltage test. Now is okay. Now we will start. Start. 12.12. 12.3. Or okay, start. When you start, then let me know. Start. Just 12 volt. So viewers, you see when we start the machines, our voltage is not too much reduces, only 0.4 point. It's mean our starter is not getting the. switch is okay. Now I am come in starter sides, so now you can I going to ask my companions to start it. मारो सलफ start नहीं होता. You can see here the sound, but machine is not starting. Maybe sलफ is have stuck somewhere. As you can see, I am going to open this starter. As you can see, I have removed the starter motor, and here you can see the connection. Okay, so I think these connections are a problem. Okay, so I will remove that connections and clean this one. Okay, so I think it's problem only this one. So I can't show you to how to I remove this one because I'm alone working here. So I'm going to stop the my camera here. I stop the recording. So here you can see I'm fixing these connections back. After these fixing connections, I fix this motor starter back to here, and then I will start and check. And also I have some doubts. Maybe these connections are touching here in this area. So I also take care about of these things. Motor starter fixed back, and all connections I finish. You can check all the connections are fixed. Now I'm going to start the machine, then check what's going on, our status is okay or not. Now on the machine. Now machine is start. Okay. Now the problem is solved. Now machine is ready. Now machine is starting. I off it. On. Now I start. And after I will let you know this video, so you can see how I solved this problem. Actually, the most of times electrician and mechanics went through this type of the situations, because sometimes happen like this. The unexpected problems are occurred. So I just only request the mechanic and electricians, be patient, don't worry, and always be ready to face this type of the situations. So I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and share this video to your friends